Hi, Hi, good morning, everyone. Okay, I see a lot of people today, and I'm very pleased to share some of my strategies in investments and in trading. Okay, before I start, I just want to know, with a show of hands, any one of you trades the market? Oh, no one. Any one of you invest in the market? Oh, most of you. Okay, great. Okay, so I will share about investments. Okay, now this year had been it has been a very, very, I wouldn't say good year, but it's been a very normal year. Okay, why is it a normal year? Now we have seen the Dow Jones recovered. The Dow Jones broke all-time high. But we see when we study the Singapore stocks, some of them like Keppel Corp, DBS, or the banks, and some other many sectors, they all started to trend higher. You agree with me, guys? Okay, so where do we put our money for this year? This is a very important clue. Okay, for me personally, I don't trade too much on blue chips. Why? Because it's quite high. For example, if I buy one lot of maybe UOB, it's about $20. It already cost me about $20,000. Yes or no, guys? So where can I put my money this year to grow my wealth so that I don't have to spend so much money, but I can make more money? Okay, anyone interested? Okay, any one of you saw what happened to Noble yesterday? Noble Group. Wow, I tell you what, guys, it's a worrying stock if you are holding this stock. Why? Because on Thursday, this stock rose all the way up. I think, if I'm not wrong, it's about 130 plus. Yesterday's the closing price is 645 or 655. So it dropped almost 60 cents in 1 or 2 days. Is it a worrying stock, guys? So imagine those auntie, uncles that I met in the past when they come and talk to me and say, hey, Ron, Noble. Because Noble used to be 20, 30, maybe 50 cents. Hey, Noble. Today, all of them very worried because the shares consolidate. You agree with me, guys? So I tell you what, guys, Noble is a very worrying, risky stock. So I will never put my money in Noble. Okay, I'll tell you why later on. You will see for yourself. Okay? Now, before I continue, okay, guys, you can take a picture of my blog. I'll tell you why you take a picture of the blog. I'll tell you why you take a picture. Now, a lot of them ask me, Ron, why do you blog every day? I say, I don't wish to blog every day, but there's a lot of things happening in the market every day. Okay? And so when there's a lot of things happening in the market every day, I tend to see many things and I put everything live on my blog. Okay, watch this stock. This stock is moving down. This stock, a lot of sellers, buyers, blah, blah, blah. So if you see my blog, there's about close to 6 million hits. You'll see every day I post many things. And yesterday I saw a news. I saw a news, a very positive news. I saw this stock called Wilmar. Wow, they are going to get an IPO in China. You agree with me, guys? Okay. Now, any one of you heard about this stock called Oxin Q&M? It's a Q&M spin-off. Okay. Now, this stock, they had business in China, and they allowed the shares to be subscribed in Singapore. But it's the reverse for Wilmar. They have business in Singapore, but I don't think you can subscribe the IPO shares, the new spin-off IPO shares in Singapore, and only is available in the China market. Okay, so there's a lot of things happening, and if you want to know where to put your money in 2017, you know which stock is good, which sector is good, stay tuned. I will share more. Okay, guys. So if at any one point of time you have any questions, you can raise your hand and ask me questions if you like. Okay. Okay. So this is my blog. Okay, that blog is a stock market blog. This blog is a blog that I put my calls, my alerts, sometimes my lifestyle and stuff like that. Okay, so this is a blog. Okay, you can take a look. Okay, take a picture first. Okay. Any questions? Okay. Before I continue, I'll introduce myself. My name is Ron K. You can call me Ronald K or you can call me Ron K. I've been trading this market for almost 10 years. And in these 10 years, I can tell you it's not easy, right? During my early days, I lost a lot of money. I lost about close to 6 digits, but I did not recover the 6 digits in my early 20s. I went to Dubai, worked for a year. I paid off my debts. When I came back, I realized one thing. I cannot be trading the way I used to trade those days. Why? Any one of you did this before in your trading or your investment? You saw a stock, it broke out, you buy. Next day, it broke down already. Just like Noble. Break out, you buy. Next few days, tank down already. And then you cut loss. Anyone? Okay? It definitely happened to you before. So that's the way I traded last time. And I realized if I continue to trade this way, I will lose more money. So I finally, after many years, I finally found a way to trade, to invest properly. And I can confidently tell you that during this journey of this past few years, I made back not only $100,000, I think I made about 7 digit. Okay? I'll show you my records later on. Okay, guys? So we just continue. Anyone interested to make about 6 digit or 5 digit? One only. Oh my God. Okay. Okay. Now, I will show you my record. You see for yourself. I'll show you my UOB statement from my broker. You can see for yourself. Okay? Just continue. Okay. I'll put a disclaimer. Whatever I shared today is with, for my personal view, from my personal view, and I'm not asking you to buy any stock or sell any stock. Okay? So, you just hear with a pinch of salt and just listen and enjoy the seminar. Okay? Okay, this is me. Been trading in the market. I'm a psychologist. I trade the market. I love to track a lot of buyers and sellers, how they move stocks, blah, blah, blah. This is my email. This is my email at the bottom. Okay? This is me, 2013. This is me, 2013. In Sunday Times. Okay? Sunday Times, 2013. I was there featured during an interview. Okay? This is me, 2015, 2 years ago, 15. I was there with my family, my daughter, my wife, and we had a long interview. During this interview, what happened was this. I made about $100,000 in 4 contra days. Okay, in this one stock called Neptune Oriental Lines. Anyone heard before? NOL. Okay, NOL in the end had a merger and acquisition. You agree with me, guys? The stock merged. During this period of time, I pumped about 4 million shares in my CFD account, in my cash account. Total net worth about $4 million. Okay, so in the end, I do a fast trade, and it built me about 100K in 4 days. Okay, I'll show you more of the record later on if I have time. This is me, 2016. So that's 13, 14, 15. So every year, I got interviewed from Sunday Times. I don't know why. They asked me, hey, Ron, what's the stock for this year? What's the theme for this year? What's the sector for this year? Okay? So in 2016, last year, why was I featured? Because I made about $386,000 in 1 month. Okay? So I'll show you my record later on. You can see for yourself. And during 2016, I realized one thing. I want to reduce my trade. I want to increase my investment. So what do? I started to look for growth stocks, which I'll share with you guys later on. Okay. Now, before I continue, I just want to check with all of you. For example, if the STI today is 3,000 points, and the STI collapsed from 3,000 points to probably 1,500 points, your broker, your reminder, your friends, what would they ask you to buy? Blue chip, mid cap, or penny stock? Blue chip, right, guys? You agree? There's no right, there's no wrong. But to me, in my personal view, blue chip is more for trading, mid-term trade, short-term trade, blah, blah, blah. But I will never use blue chip for investment. Do you know why I don't use blue chip for investment? Because blue chip too expensive. Even though there's a crisis, tank down $4, DBS, maybe $20, become $8, blah, blah, blah. It's still $8. I buy one lot, it's still $8,000. Okay? Then I started to remember how I lost money in the past. And do you know who is the richest man in Singapore who invests in the market and make a lot of money? Who? Anyone? Peter Lim. So I started to go Google. I searched on Peter Lim. Wow, I'm so impressed. He bought one stock, only one stock. You know which stock is that, guys? Wilmar. He invested $10 million and he made $1 billion. Then I started to think, when he invested Wilmar $10 million, Wilmar is not a $7 stock. It's not a $3 stock. It's a 30-cent stock. Yes or no, guys? And from 30 cents, it grew all the way to how much? $7 at the peak, remember? And his $10 million easily become a $1 billion investment. Is it good money, guys? Do nothing, but the stock keep rising. Anybody love this kind of stock? Okay, but I'll tell you one thing. This kind of stock, every year there's about 2 or 3. Every year, sure, 2 or 3. Unless there's a big crisis, then there's nothing. Okay, guys? But if there's no crisis, the market just fluctuates up and down, then up again. Every year, there will be 2 to 3 such kind of stocks. Okay? So I'll show you what kind of stocks is that. Do you know this year, which stock ran the most? Bestwell, AEM, Sunningdale. All these electronical stocks, they are really powerful. You know what I'm saying, guys? Okay, so this year the theme is electronic stocks. That's where you should park your money in. Okay, so I'll show you more later on. Let's continue first. Okay, so I'll show you this trade. In 2015, can you see I circled there, 2015? I started to watch this stock called Jumbo. Anyone of you heard about this stock called Jumbo? Okay, wow, I tell you something, guys. Jumbo had been my watch list since the day we went IPO. So when he went IPO, it was in November 20th, 2015. And from that day onwards, normally when a stock go IPO, don't buy. You know why, guys? When you buy on IPO day, there'll be a frenzy. Frenzy means buy, sell, buy, sell. You don't know where's the actual direction moving. You agree? So the first day, remember, when the stock go IPO, don't buy. Just watch. Okay? So the day was there, November 20th, IPO. And then the stock started to trend higher and higher. Can you see, guys? I was like, wow, I missed the chance to buy Jumbo. In my mind, I wanted to go about maybe 800 to 1 million shares. But I missed the whole chance, so it went up. So it went from 35 cents to probably 43 cents. Then it tanked all the way down. Okay. So can you see in December 11, the way the area I circled, December 11, I told Jumbo will reach this 35 to 36 region again, which is the cross 35 to 36. When it reached there, I will start to buy Jumbo already. You know why? Because first, I missed a chance there. When it comes back to this demand zone, I'm going to start to accumulate Jumbo again, and this time around, I don't want to miss my chance. Now, any one of you see a stock run, for example, Jumbo, you saw 30 cents, you moved to 50 cents, you missed the whole chance, you feel very upset. You wanted to buy, you watched for a whole day, you wanted to buy, but you did not buy in the end, and you missed the chance. You're very upset. Then, the chance came again, from 50 cents, dropped all the way to 30 cents. Down at the point of time, at 30 cents, you'll be wondering, hey, buy, don't buy, don't buy, buy. Any one of you like that? If you're laughing or you're smiling, I presume you are like that. Okay, guys? So, I will share with you how to overcome this. So when Jumbo ran, then all the way there, I told myself, this is my last chance, because opportunity don't knock the door 2 times, 3 times, every time. You agree with me, guys? 1 time, 2 times, and that's it. So we reached there. So I'll be 35, 36, okay? So true enough, can you see? At the left-hand side there, it hit 35. Exactly 35.5 there. And can you see Jumbo from all the way, it recovered big time. Can you see it recovered? All the way to 70 cents. Can you see, guys? Okay? So I did not buy a lot here. I did not buy a lot there. But along the way, can you see along the way? Unfortunately, this thing cannot put it here, okay? So, unfortunately, watch this. I did not buy a lot at the bottom. But can you see all the circled points? You see all the circled points? That's where I start to buy again, reaccumulate again, buy again. Can you see, guys? After buying for so many times, finally there's one big news came out. Do you know what news is that, guys? The Temasek sell and Ron Sim bought, which is there. Ron Sim bought 32 million shares January this year. Wow. So Ron Sim bought, is it a good or bad thing? Good or bad thing? Good thing. So he will support the price. You agree with me, guys? Okay? So why Jumbo? I'll tell you later on. Now, so can you see my record? I bought Jumbo heavily. 475, I bought 500 lots. 48, I bought about 800 lots. Can you see? What's that? 715, I bought about 300 lots there. Can you see? I keep accumulating Jumbo and Jumbo non-stop because I know this stock is going to fly. Okay? I'll tell you. I'll show you how it's going to fly later on. And then I increase more Jumbo again. Can you see, guys? I think this quantity add up is about, there's 350, there's 5, it add up about another 500-600 lots there. So you add up everything, I've got probably 2-3 million shares of Jumbo. Yes or no, guys? So Ron Sim got 32 million. I'm also Ron, what? You agree with me, guys? There's a different Ron. One is Ron K, one is Ron S, Ron Sim. So you got 32 million, I got 3 million. Am I happy or not with the 2-3 million shares of Jumbo? Yes. Because I know in the end, when you fly to 78, 79, 80 cents, I'll make money. So true enough, we bought Jumbo, we sold Jumbo, blah, blah, blah. Can you see the records I sent to all my inner circle? Hey guys, watch Jumbo, December, watch Jumbo, watch Jumbo, watch Jumbo. Jumbo, at that point of time, really is on the way up. So when you buy stocks, you don't buy on the way down. You buy on the way up or down? Up. When you buy on the way down, you are risking your money because the low can go lower. So I don't mind, watch this, I don't mind to do this. I don't mind to do this. I don't mind to buy a higher price. But I'm only concerned with one thing. If I buy higher price, can the stock move or not? If you don't move, means I'm failed already. You agree with me, guys? Okay, so that's very important. So never average down. Average down is like what I did those days. Cut loss, sure die. Okay? Unless you're really sure you average down, this thing is going to fly. If not, never average down. Okay, guys? Okay, I'll show you more. Jumbo is a growth stock. Can you see? Jumbo is a growth stock. Now, today my topic here is talking about my investment strategy for 2017 and how to pick growth stock, which is very important. Now, I shared with you Peter Lim's story earlier on for a reason. Peter Lim made $10 million to $1 billion. Wilma was 30 cents and it becomes $7. So it was a growth stock. It's not a blue chip. Who agree with me? It's a baby boomer back then. Okay? So when we do investment, we try not to pick the blue chip. Blue chip is for trading. Just remember, blue chip for trading. Growth stocks is for investment. Blue chip is like an old man waiting to go coffin already. You want to buy a baby, let the baby become an adult. Yes or no, guys? Okay, so that's how Wilma made it. Okay, so Jumbo, blah blah blah, keep increasing non-stop, and the rest was history, lah. Okay, so Jumbo in the end, can you see there, guys? I want all of you to focus this. March 20th, Jumbo, which is like Monday, they released the news at 11:14 p.m. They're going to open a store in Beijing. Can you see, guys? But what happened to the stock? Did it fly or did it tank further? It tanked further. Yesterday, it reached a low of 64 or 64.5. It tanked further from a high of 78.5. Okay? So good news is not bad. So good news is not good news. Good news is for you to sell. Bad news is for you to accumulate. Who do you understand what I'm saying? Okay? So good news, don't buy. Buy already, you should die. Okay? Okay, I will continue. Okay. After showing you this another stock, MM2. Anyone of you heard about this stock called MM2? I bet all of you heard about this stock called Unusual Group. Yes or no? Okay. So MM2 is another growth stock that can supersede. So watch this. When it went IPO, I did not buy. I started to buy near there. All the area, can you see? All the on the right hand side, the black color line, all the horizontal line. That's where I started to increase my lot size in MM2. Okay? And true enough, MM2 was a 10-cent stock back in 2015 or 14. It's a 10-cent stock. But then from 10 cents, it moved to how much? Do you know how much it moved to? It moved to $2. 10 cents to $2. 2.5 years. Good money, guys. So if you invested 10 cents, you buy about 100 lot. Today, you'll probably be very rich already. You agree with me? So 2 years is all it takes. Okay? So watch this. Look at my MM2 accumulation. The price I bought 40 cents plus. I bought 1 million shares, 600 lots, 800 lots, 1.2, 1.5, 1 million, 900. So total here about 5 million, 5 to 6 million. You agree with me, guys? And today MM2, as of yesterday's closing, do you know what's yesterday's closing price? 53. Did I make money or not, guys? So I calculated. Last night I almost can't sleep. You know why, guys? So I remember I don't know how much I bought, but all I know is about 6 million. Okay, so one jump from MM2, one jump, 40 cents to 40.05. One jump is how much, guys? 30K. You agree? 1 million shares, one jump is 5K. 6 million shares, one jump is 30K. It means 40 to 40.05, 30K. 40.05 to 41, 60K. You agree with me, guys? So last night I can't sleep. You know why? I keep thinking, Monday should I sell or not? Because who don't want to take money? You agree with me, guys? And MM2 is a stock that you can easily sell 6 million at 2-3 price. That means you don't have to 10 lot. You can sell 1 million first, drop already, up again, sell another million. Very easy to sell one. Some stocks you play, you buy 1 million, you may not be able to sell everything. You agree with me, guys? So this stock is highly liquid. Okay? So can you see the millions of shares I stack up and bought and accumulate the stock? And so earlier on I showed you the slides that I accumulated MM2, all the horizontal lines. True enough, MM2 flew, and the news came out. The news came out there. This Timothy Mo acquired 10 million shares of MM2 at 48.5 or 50 cents, I can't remember. Can you see it, guys? So after accumulating for so many months or weeks, I saw this news. January 19 this year, they released MM2. They accumulated 48.5, and the stock today, and the stock as of yesterday closed at 53. Check your chart later if you go back, you have the time. 53. Good or no good, guys? Is it good investment? Is it a good investment? Of course. With that being said, I just want to share with you something. I may trade 10 million shares, I may trade 6 million shares, I may trade 4 million shares or NOL, blah, blah, blah. It doesn't matter because everyone's pocket size is different. You agree? So if I trade 6 million shares, you probably trade 600 lots. Or probably you trade 60 lots. You don't have to trade 6 million shares. At the end, the stock, after you traded or you invested, must go. That's all. You agree? Okay? The reason why I dare to trade so big is not because I got a lot of money. It's because I lost money in the past before, and I know the stock market, you want to accumulate stocks. You want to accumulate stocks, you have to what? Not buy on good news. You have to buy when the news is really bad. That's where you start to accumulate a low price. Okay? But please don't accumulate Noble. Okay? Okay? Noble, 1990s is a growth stock. 20 cents become $2. Today, the growth has finished. So it washed all the way down. Okay? So stocks is like that. After trading for many years and invested for many years, I realized one thing, stocks is like that. After a certain growth, for example, Wilmar, 30 cents to $7. After a certain growth period, the stock will not go back $7 anymore. No. It will just, $7, you will tank all the way down, then hovering there, and then that's it already. So, I always tend to rotate stocks. What do I mean? That means after this stock has finished its growth, I will cash my money out, and I play or I invested in another stock again. Because there's no such thing as buy and hold 20 years, In Singapore market, we are talking about Singapore. US, I'm not sure. Okay? Now, I got a very close auntie of mine. She bought this stock called UOB. I think in the 1990s. Until today, she's still holding. She bought only 2 lots. She told me she bought about $8 or $10. I can't remember. Today it's $20+. You agree? So she hold for 20 years. She only see $10 and only 2 lots. Then I told her the story. I say, hey, hello, listen. Peter Lim have to sell stocks, then he can realize the money in the pocket. You agree with me, guys? If you hold 20 years, your money in the stock market is just unrealized profits. Who agree? It's not real money yet. The money, when you cash out, when you sell the stocks, then it's called real money. Anyone agree? Okay? Because should another crisis happen like 2008, 1 year, your $20 can become $8 again. Okay, so I always believe everything growth one day will stall and dead. Okay? So today, I want all of you to go home, okay? I want all of you to go home and see one stock. That stock had a super growth, and then the growth dead off, and then finished already. That stock is called Fragrance Hotel. Anyone heard before? Wow, I tell you, you're going to see the chart. Wow, you keep growing. After that, the growth has finished, no more growth, the thing tanked down. If you continue to hold, you think the growth is going to go, you continue to hold your shares in Fragrance Hotel, do you make money today? No. Okay, your investment gone. Okay, so every investment, eventually one day, you have to sell. Okay, just remember this because it's very hard to change your thinking, but I'm just telling you that auntie, uncles is very hard because olden way of thinking, but the world has changed. The market has changed. Last time I remember, 5 years ago, when I trade the market, 2011, 2012, when I trade the market, do you know what happened, guys? When the market bullish, you know what stock I play? No need to play many stocks, just play one stock only. The stock is called Noble. Wow, Noble, market bullish, STI bullish, just play Noble. Noble will run one, Or you play CapitaLand, CapitaLand will run one, Today, STI run or crash, you play Noble, cannot run. So the market has changed already. So we got to adapt to the market and we change with the market, not the market change with us. Who agree? Okay, so remember what I told you, okay? Now, I got 2 or 3 more slides. Now, so last year was a better year. This year is a bit tough. Last year I spotted one stock. And it took me about 2 months to study the stock. In that 2 months, a lot of hard work inside. Okay? And that stock is called Supergroup. Anyone heard before this stock called Supergroup? Okay. Supergroup got a privatization news at $1.30. Agree, guys? So it took me 2 months. Okay, so watch this. So last year, October 24th, Monday, I told all my students, guys, you watch Supergroup is in collection mode. Can you see? I circled the word collection mode. Your entry should be 865 to 875, and your cut loss should be below 845. Is it a big or small loss? Very minimal, not even 1%. Can you see, guys? Okay, so I want all of you to focus on the date, October 24th, Monday. You see the time, 12:20, when I send my WhatsApp. 12:20, and see the word called collection. Okay, 3 things, Monday, collection, and 12:20. Okay, so watch this. Can you see that? Monday, October 24th, 12:20 is there. And we bought a super group. In 1.5 weeks later, can you see super group when it comes 1:30? Now, my point is this. How come I don't buy there? On the left-hand side there. If I buy there, I don't buy there, I don't buy there, I don't buy. I buy near towards the privatization news there. Anyone got a clue? I'll tell you why. Like I said, I've been trading the market for a long, long time. Made some loss, made a lot of loss, but made more profits. I realized one thing. Money, when you trade the market, everybody want to get in at a good timing. You agree with me, guys? What you don't want is, for example, you buy Jumbo today. Today is closing 65. You buy, you say you want to invest for long term. Can, you buy 65. The next 1 month, 2 months, Jumbo from 65 cents, you take all the way down to how much? 50 cents. Then down there, your investment a bit worrying already. You agree with me, guys? And then the worst thing is this. When you need money to cash out, you cannot cash out, you know. But if you buy the right stock at the right time, when the price is moving up, even you can't wait until the news privatizes. When you want to cash out along the way, can you cash out? Yes. Okay. So I realized if I want to do investment for stocks, timing is very important. So watch this. When you buy during the breakout there at October 5th, yes, it's not beautiful, but during that period of time, there's no collection mode. Collection means the buyers are slowly buying up the shares and keep in the pocket, keep in the CDP account, you know. Okay, so there are no collections whatsoever there until that day the collections start to appear already. Can you see, guys? The collections start to appear in the stock. So we started to watch this stock very closely because this stock can make you rich. Okay, so I bought about 200 lots in this stock. I bought 88 or 875, I can't remember. 200 lots. I tell you what, the stock move up, it tank down. It move up, it tank down. I keep looking at the chart, you know. I keep looking at the chart. Every day I monitor this chart because I got 200 lots. I want to make money. You agree with me, guys? Looking. Wow, guys. This day, November 3rd. So when did I bought? October, right, guys? So November 3rd. Can you see 7:49 a.m., guys? Can you see 7:49? I remember. I'm still sleeping, you know. Because every day I watch nothing move. Move a bit down, move a bit down. Wow. Then there's one day it moved a lot. There's one day it moved a lot. Can you see on the right-hand side there? There's one day it moved about 97 cents there. Wow, there's one day it moved to 97 cents. So I know my investment is making money already. You agree? But I know when it moves such violently, right? Some news is going to drive, some news is going to come out already. But I don't know what news is it. I don't know. Because I don't know anyone from Super Group. Okay? So, what happened? 8 a.m., I'm still sleeping. Someone called me. Normally, I don't read news, but someone will call me. I got people who work for me. He said, hey, Ron, you know what happened in Super Group? I said, I know. Yesterday, closing 97. He said, no. You know what happened today? I said, what happened? Today, hot. Wow, kanchong already. Shit, hot is up or down. Yes or no? If today Noble hot, you scared or not scared, guys? Scared. Yeah. I say, hey, hot already, up or down? Oh, not sure. Guess what happened? I said, Ron, don't worry. Noble, Super Group, 1:30. Wow, tell what? They 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock, like cannot sleep anymore, you know. You know why, guys? 8 a.m. to 9 a.m., it's like 12 hours for me, you know, that 1 hour. Because I use a calculator, keep calculating how much money I'm going to make, you know, with 200 lots. Keep calculating, thinking. Then suddenly he told me, oh, I forgot, it's hot, cannot sell. Got to wait for next few days to sell. You agree with me, guys? So when the hot release, I think was like November, mid-November or early November, when the hot release, guys, I calculated, I made about $85,000 just by buying 200 lots and in October. Wow, the hot release, 1:30. Is he happy or not happy? Happy. Okay? So those who follow me in this super group, they make money with me. Very happy, super group. Okay? And then, this year, there's another stock, I remember. So, one of the students told me, Ron, so last year you picked super group. This year, what's the hot stock? This year, what's the hot stock? I said, hot stock got to give some time. Not if you want, you got hot stock straight away. You agree? If like that, I'm God already. You agree with me? Hot stock, I want to take hot stock. No such thing. You got to give some time. So this year, so after making money in super group last year, I started to buy one more stock. Not I buy, my students and myself. We started to buy one more stock. You know which stock is that this year? All of you will know this stock. GLP. We got in at 207. We sold at 275. Actually, this GLP trade is on my blog. That's why I asked you guys to take a picture. Just go click GLP, you will see. My student make 137,000. I made about 100,000 only, lesser than him. But he's very happy because he bought GLP in November and he sold GLP in mid-February. And that whole thing, 2.07 to 2.75 is a lot of money. You agree with me, guys? And the thing went privatized again before the news came out. So he got a good one in GLP. Okay, any questions so far? No questions. Okay, we shall continue. Now, so what are the future growth stocks? Now, we got to study companies with strong volume plays. Volume means like, okay, they're buyers, they're sellers. We don't know who is who. But it tells you that there's interest in the stock. You agree with me, guys? So we got to study some strong volume plays company. So is Oxin a growth stock? Anyone? Yes or no? Or not sure? Oxin Q&M. If it's quiet, means I think you're mixed, you're not sure. Okay? But as of now, I let you know, Oxin, don't touch first. The time to fly not ready yet. It's been coming down after the one-day breakout. Okay, so do nothing first. Study more on the IPO companies. Because IPO companies, there's a chance for it to be a growth stock. Just like MM2, just like Jumbo, just like another stock called Acromac. Anyone heard before this company called Acromac? You go and see the chart. Wow, beautiful. Okay? So, study this and focus more on companies with strong background. Okay, you can. For those of you who are interested, you can add me in Facebook or you can add me in Instagram. You can take a picture, you can go home and add me. Some days I post some stocks there, some days I don't. Because the market is very busy for me every day. So some days I may not have time, okay? Now, my 2017 watch list. MM2, Jumbo, UMS, Sunningdale, these 5 stocks, okay? I've been very successful in MM2 and Jumbo. Sunningdale, I'm very successful. AEM, yes, and UMS, another one, okay? So this year is all electronical stocks, okay? Okay, so look at UMS. Can you see an amazing return? Can you see an amazing return in UMS? Wow, just broke out like that. This is what I mean, growth stock. The stock from 30 cents fly to $2. It's from 80 cents fly to $2. Good money, guys? Good. Better than buy a $20 stock. Very hard to fly. Can fly, but your money return is not as great, okay? Okay, Sun Power, another one. You just flew. Now, any one of you interested to learn more about growth stocks? How to pick the strong volume plays? Anyone interested? 1, 2, 3. Okay, guys, very simple. My time is almost up, so I got no time to explain the full-fledged. So, next Monday and Tuesday, which is this Monday, May 15, May 16, these 2 days, I will have an event at my office. So you can come at my office and learn from me. And I will show you more about all these strategies and techniques. Okay? So, wow. Okay, so this is my last slide for today. Next Monday I will share a growth stock in my office. It will be either Monday or Tuesday. So some of you cannot make it Monday, you come on Tuesday. So some of you cannot make it on Tuesday, you come on Monday. And you can SMS me your email, your name, and you just SMS me or email your name and the date you want to come, Monday or Tuesday, either one. Because my office can only take about 73 people. So only the first 73, you come on either day. After 73, no more slot. Okay, so there's about 500 people here. I can only take in 73 per day. So first come, first serve, lor. So if you, for example, if I see my phone, this guy SMS, hit 73, then the next 73, I cannot take in anymore. You got to come another day. You agree? Okay? So first come, first serve. Whoever SMS first, I will share with you. There's no TA or FA involved, and it only take less than 2 minutes to find a growth stock. So you know where to invest your money in. Okay, guys? I got more slides, but wow, this thing is not working good. Wow, see? Okay, so unfortunately, I can't show you my records in that growth stock I made 300K because the slide is not working as great. It's at the bottom there. So never mind. Monday, Tuesday, I will log in my live account. I log in my live trading account, my investment account. You see the money I made there or the stocks I played there. You know what I'm saying? So okay, so I heard a lot of SMS coming in. Like I said, Monday or Tuesday, you choose either day. But remember to indicate you are coming on Monday or Tuesday, that's it. Too many people, I can't take everyone. Okay, guys? Anyone got any question for me? You won't believe this. After speaking here, I got to rush off for another talk. And my day will end at 9 p.m. Okay? To me, I'll let you know, guys, Monday to Friday, I trade. Saturday, I do my homework. Sunday, I take a rest. Monday, I will start to make money again. Most people is Monday to Friday, work. Saturday, Sunday, rest. And then Monday, work again. So I always take my Saturday as a day that I still have to work. That's how. Make money, have to sacrifice a little bit here and there. Okay, guys? Okay. Yes, come. Raffles Place. Oh? Where's my office? Okay, guys, watch this. If you SMS me your name, email, I will send you through. I will send you tonight an email where's my office. Just check your email, check your SMS. Don't worry, the details. That's why I asked you the SMS. If not, how to give the details to you? I'll put all the details inside the email and the SMS. Wow, guys, my phone keep ringing. You see, non-stop. Okay, like I said, there's 500 people here. I can only take in about 140 per 2 days. That means 73, 73. That's it, no more already. Okay, guys. And it's free. I'll teach you how to find the next growth stock, which is very important because if you put the right money in the right area, right, your money can see leaps and bounds. But it got to be months, weeks to months. It cannot be like within days. Okay, guys? Any more questions before I end my speech? Okay. Thank you.